Elon Musk taught himself how to build reusable rockets, autonomous cars, and brain chips. But how did he do this? 9 years ago, he posted his secret about how he learns anything on Reddit. He always thinks about first principles and makes sure he understands the fundamental of anything. For instance, a standard way of making bread is by taking flour, yeast, and water, mixing it up, putting it in the oven, and letting it rise. But Elon would have done it in a completely different way. By thinking fundamentally, he would have learned things like wheat cultivations, soil types, cold storage, supply chain, yeast biology, fermentation, thermodynamics, baking style, and more, which would help him bake the perfect bread and even create new recipes with it. Unlike other car companies, Tesla covers every aspect of the car business. They make their own batteries, chips, electronics, software, charging stations, AI, and even financing and insurance, which makes it 19 startups instead of just one. When you think about things fundamentally, you get to learn about so many things that can be applied to other facets of life as well. For instance, Steve Jobs understood so much about design and technology that it helped Apple build diverse products like MacBook, iPhone, AirPods, and now Vision Pro. Same goes for Mr. Beast, who is the most followed person on the internet, as he understands attention, storylines, plots, and social algorithms.